cloneapp helps you run multiple accounts on Android device. Popular apps such as WhatsApp, Line, and Facebook are on almost everyone's Android device, each limiting access to a single account even though some users may prefer different identities or profiles, such as business and individual account on WhatsApp or Uber better work-life balance. Why can't someone figure out a way to allow people to run multi-account on an Android device? Well, if you have an Android device running Android 4.0, someone has, it's called cloneapp. Most apps in Google Play Store are compatible with cloneapp. With this app, anyone can now create, login, and manage two accounts for each of Line, WhatsApp, Facebook. Cloneapp works pretty well with mobile games too. Now, a user can have two game accounts in exciting games. Another great thing is that it doesn't require root privileges. It will work on any Android devices and will help you switching between your app's accounts. It is great for social networking and gaming.